A disastrous accident leaves one vehicle completely blown to smithereens and the driver sent to the hospital. Right behind me, this accident, McNab Road and going north on Pine Island Road. This accident left 2 vehicles total. Check out the damage, and it is pretty horrifying. The whole road is blocked off, so if you're traveling north on Pine Island Road, crossing McNab, stay clear because it's going to be blocked off for a while. We have a lot of police, fire, and the EMS treating the driver of the Lincoln that has been totally knocked out. It appears that the Lincoln was traveling southbound on Pine Island when, unfortunately, a Kia Soul rammed him like no tomorrow, probably intoxicated. We're going to get more information. Stay tuned. And thank you so much for watching. John Stavo reporting from Tamarac area in South Florida.